Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to copy file from one HDFS directory to another HDFS directory. So to copy file from one HDFS directory to another, we will use cp command, and there is flag. You can see -f and -p. -f for forcefully. If you need to override things, then you need to use -f and -p for the permission and the ownership. Okay, so let's do some testing. HDFS TFS -ls. You can see there is some directory here, and from one directory to another directory I need to copy file. So you can see one of the directories new and another is big data. So let me show you what is under new. I think there is some file, and we need to copy this file from new to big data. Let me show what is under big data. I think there is nothing under big data. Okay, so there is one nested directory. So we are going to copy this file from this new to big data. Okay, so first command we are going to do HDFS DFS CP, and then we need to define the source directory. Okay, the source will be new. Then we will do one thing, we'll just copy this file, derby.log. okay, and then big data. So we are not using any flag, so we are simply using copy from source to destination. So let's see what happened. Let me list it. HDFS TFS -ls big data. You can see this file is copied, but the permission you can see earlier it was 700 and now it changed. Okay, so if we need to preserve all the existing permission, then there is a flag -p. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me forcefully overwrite this same file with -p. So let me copy one again, that file, same file I'm using -f and -p. You can see the permission and everything will be same. Let me do a ls. You can see this file is copied and permission is same. Okay, so if I need to copy whole file, there's a hello file and new file, what I need to do, I need to use like instead of this file name I will use a star. Okay, and I need to override, and I need to use this -p for permission, so that I will have the same permission on the big data folder also. So let me see. All file is copied and you can see the same permission. Okay, so there is another directory. Let me do Kafka, and it's empty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this file to Kafka, and I'm not using this -p or -f. Simple copy. Okay, let me do a list to Kafka. You can see file will be copied, but the permission will be changed. This permission you can see change. Okay, so if I need to delete this file from Kafka, what I need to do, suppose I need to delete the one with derby. Okay, derby.log. Just hit enter. to a list, you can see that file is deleted. Okay, if I need to delete whole things together, then just you need to do one thing, just give a star and do rm. Okay, so this file is deleted. So friends, this is how you can copy one file to another directory in HDFS, and if you need to copy the whole things, you need to use star, and if you need to delete, then you need to use this star. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.